Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash. So for today's video, I am sitting down to refilm the Colourpop Main Squeeze shadow palette. If you guys don't know, this was part of their birthday collection. Now, I did sit down to film this video before, and I just really didn't like the look. I didn't like the footage, so I'm refilming it all for you guys today. So I did pick up their beautiful palette, which I will swatch at the end of the video, as well as their Supershock shadow. Now, this was actually a free item, and this is in the shade Birthday Treat. It's really, really pretty. So this product I actually used on my lips. Now, a few of their Supershock shadows I really don't care for on my eyes personally, but I'm not going to get off into a tangent and talking too much. I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that you will hit that subscribe button before you leave today, as well as that little bell, so that you're notified each time I upload, which is 3 times a week on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And without further ado, y'all, let's go ahead and get into the eyeshadow. So first things first, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start off by giving you a sneak peek of the palette if you have not seen it yet. It is super, super beautiful. You get a lot of reds, deep berry tones, and you get a few golds with a shift. It's very, very beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys in just a little bit. Alright, so I think we're going to start off here. I have moved my lighting around a little bit. It is very gloomy and dark out today, so I'm hoping that this helps. I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit of my Bath & Body Works Overnight Balm. My favorite night balm. If anybody knows where you can get this, like, please do tell, because I am running out and I'm freaking out. Sometimes my Bath & Body Works has it, but it's pretty much a rare occasion. So I have already primed my eyes and threw my eyebrows on. So we are going to start off with the shade called Froze. And it's this little pink color right here. I'm just going to start that off with a fluffy brush by Farrah. So you guys know how I do my eyeshadow looks. I'm going to point and show you guys the shadow and go ahead and start blending. I'm going to do one eye on camera, the other eye off, and then we will talk about the palette. So I'm going to start off with the shade called Froze, and I'm just going to dip in here. If you guys are not familiar with the shadow palettes in this little plastic case like this, there is kick up in the pan. You are going to get fallout on your face, which is why I have not done my base yet. So, but these shadows do pack a punch of pigment, so that is why I usually love them. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. Now, I gotta keep it real. For me, these red shadows were a little hard to work with, and it's not the quality of the shadows. These are absolutely amazing. They are up to par with the other palettes that they have, like the Just My Luck, It's My Pleasure, Ooh La La, and all of that good stuff. So it's not the palette, it's not the formula. The formula is absolutely amazing, just like the other palettes. However, for me to work with an all red palette, it is, what am I trying to say? It's a challenge for me. So I thoroughly enjoyed it. Sorry guys, I forgot to put my highlight on. I thoroughly enjoyed it because it was a challenge and I like to challenge myself. So I hope that you guys are enjoying the look. It is a lot to take in. It is a lot of red. I did throw a little bit of this gold in here on my center lid, or excuse me, the inner corner of my lid here, and I think it really made it pop. I think it's really, really pretty. Now, here, I'm just gonna get a little bit closer and close my eyes for you guys. So this is not going to be like a slowed down, you know, my little poses and all that. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I did. So here are the swatches of the palette. This is all of the colors. And hopefully you guys can see all of these. Let's turn this down. Absolutely stunning. So one of my favorites is this shade right here, which is on my inner corner right here, and it has this shift of a red in it, and I have never, periods. No, I had to do that. I seriously have never seen a shadow like that before this palette. So if you guys are looking to pick up the Main Squeeze palette by Colourpop, I highly recommend it if you are bold enough to pull off an all red look, or if you just want to, you know, add some pops of red into, you know, another look with some neutral shades or even some other pops of color. Girl, pick this up. It's $12. And I know Colourpop comes out with a new palette literally like every 2 to 3 weeks, it seems like. Actually, as soon as I ordered this, they came out with Blue Moon, and I was like, I ain't even going there. Like, I'm done. Y'all killing me. Y'all killing me. The palette does look gorgeous though. But yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed playing with this. This is my second time using it. And again, it was a challenge for me because it is all red. But I thoroughly enjoyed it. These shadows blend very beautifully. And it's not all reds. It's, you know, your pop of gold. You got 2 kind of coppery shades in here and then some, but it is different shades of red throughout, and it's just such a fun palette to play with. Like I said, you guys, the first look that I did, I didn't really like it, but I do like this one. And what I did, and I'll list all of the colors down below, I went in with this shade here on my lid as well as this one, and these are about the same shade. This one's matte and this one is shimmery, and it's just, oh my god, it's just so beautiful. Like, I don't have anything like this in my collection that is red. And ooh, I feel like these shades would look beautiful on all skin tones. So I'm hoping to see more people playing with this palette. I haven't seen a lot. And it's really weird because I thought that this palette would like sell out like the first day and people would be uploading videos, but I just haven't seen a lot. If you guys have seen some other YouTubers play with this palette, please drop me a comment down below because I'd love to see what kind of looks and stuff that they came up with. I did see one, and it is somebody that I follow. I will link her channel down below because I thought that her look was really beautiful as well. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the look that I did. I thought it turned out really pretty. I wanted to mention really quickly, you guys, that it looks like these are going to stain, but they do not. I did just remove everything from my arm with just a makeup wipe. And though my fingers may look a little red and stained, The last time that I wore this and took it off, it does not stain your eyelids. And if it appears that it's going to stain them, just wash your face with some face wash and you're good to go. So I did want to point that out because my fingers look a little bit red, but as soon as I go wash these with some soap, it's gonna come right off. I didn't have any issues with staining whatsoever, and you would think that you would because they are red eyeshadows, but no problems whatsoever, which is really, really nice because generally it takes like a day or more to get the staining gone, and it's just, nobody wants to go through that. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button before you leave today, as well as that little bell notification so you are notified each time I upload, which is 3 times a week on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. I hope that the rest of you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please guys go on and smash that like button. Give it a big thumbs up. What that is going to do is it's going to help YouTube to recognize that you guys are enjoying the content on this channel, and it's going to start throwing more videos into people's recommended feeds, thus growing our family. Alright you guys, I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys to pieces, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!